Please do join us regularly, okay? Devarsh Bala, past 2 days I'm not seeing you.
Wait, Mataji, I thought he was here in the. I think we saw him in yesterday's class. I think we saw him in yesterday's class.
Oh, really? Yesterday I was there, but before
Hare
2 days.
Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Param. Okay, okay. So we will start our class. Before that, just give me a minute. I'll just share the link of today's class in the group and then we can start our class. And we have 2 Kahoots today. Get ready for Kahoot games. And Ryan, keep your phone ready, okay? Don't tell me I am not getting my phone. Give me some time. You keep it now only ready, okay? So that we don't waste our time when the class starts. Give me. I'll just get the link. Anybody else join? Devarsh Bala?
Mataji,
Hare Krishna, Livan, you were also not there from long time.
Mataji, so
Devarsh Bala, yesterday you joined the class? You
Yeah.
were not there, right?
No, yesterday I joined the class.
Yesterday you joined the class? Okay.
Yeah, I remember there was no Kahoot.
Yesterday there was no Kahoot, yeah. Yesterday there was Bhajan, right? Devarsh Bala. I did not see you yesterday in the call, Devarsh Bala.
Mataji, I saw him.
Really? Maybe he joined with another name.
Devash Balar. Devash Balar.
Okay, okay. I don't know. Then when I took it,
Devash, take the R off of your name, okay? That's why my mom's getting confused. Can you
no, not because of that. I did not see him. Yesterday I sent the picture also in the group, na. I did not see Devarsh Bala in that, I guess. Okay, that's fine. Anyway, I gave you present yesterday. I believe.
Mataji, are we gonna do the Kahoot, which Ryan was supposed to do on Monday, or is it?
No. We have something else also. I will tell you what we are doing. Okay, the Kahoot that I made and which did not work on Monday. I will tell you what we are doing. The Kahoot that we made and which did not work on Monday, that we are going to do it.
And what about the second one? What's the
Second one, today's class Kahoot. I don't know my
So
words.
hey, we're going to be starting Kahoot now, and then we're going to do the class Kahoot.
Yes.
So we're not doing Ryan's Kahoot?
We already did Balavan. That was like on Monday.
No, yours did not work, right, Ryan?
Yeah, we didn't. It didn't work.
Yeah, that's okay. No worries.
Me today.
Okay, we are almost there. Give me a second. Let me share this link in the class.
That was sad that it didn't work.
The problem was that it wasn't like internet work, I guess. But I don't know. I thought he was doing
Okay, done. Okay, what story you heard yesterday? Before we will start, we'll do first with prayers, okay?
Monday Mataji.
Okay, not Monday. Yesterday also we are done, right? Okay, let's start with the prayers. Everybody should be mute if you are not talking. Om Ajnanatimidandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurannena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaurabhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Okay, today's quote, not Ryan. Ryan already got chance the other day. Okay, today we will give it to Livan. Livan.
Yes, Mataji. Should I?
Okay.
Okay, I will do.
September 25th, 2024. 20 September 25th. How can one attain that platform of purity? Krishna says that one who is engaged in devotional service to me without any deviation, that means 24 hours in Krishna consciousness. He is pure. He is
But
pure.
that is
If you can
crazy.
keep yourself always constantly in Krishna consciousness, always thinking of Krishna, then you are pure. Srila Prabhupada, Seattle, September 25th.
Okay. Thank you, Livan. Okay. Okay, Param, I can hear the bell sound. Okay. If you have a background noise, please don't unmute. Okay. I want somebody else to explain me. Okay, Kalyan, do you want to talk about it? You know what we are learning here? You go to any ISKCON temples, or this is the first time you are encountering about Srila Prabhupada?
This the first time.
Okay, this is the first time. Okay, let's hear for today. Okay, Kabir, you know what is the quote for today? Did you hear when Livan read it?
Yes, so if you like do chanting and or think of Krishna or do all of those Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, chanting, and he remembers Krishna, he's the person who will go to Krishna consciousness, and he's gonna be pure, really, really pure, like fully pure.
Wonderful, Kabir. Wonderful. I'm so proud of you. Kabir has explained very nicely. So there is Bhagavad Gita sloka also related to this. Anybody wanted to quote on it? Anybody?
Antakalecham.
No, not Antakalecham. It is said 24 hours chanting Krishna's name. So there is direct sloka for this from 9th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Okay.
What number is it? Tell me, I will tell this book.
Number I don't know, but I can give you first word from the sloka. Satatam.
Sankirtayantona yanto mam yatat tantaju vrita
Mamantasya.
Mama
Satatam
Vamshajiva Loke.
Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantasya drudavrata mamantasya mam nityamam nityayukta upasate.
Mataji, can you still hear the bell sound?
No. Now I cannot hear any background from your voice.
Okay,
It's
Mataji.
good. It's good. Okay. So we have to do always chant kirtanam. Satatam kirtayanto mam all the time. So then we can become closer to Krishna. That is what the quote is. So we will go on to story for today that which story we are seeing. Anybody other than who did not get a chance? Not Kabir, not Devarsh Bala. Who else is there?
Mataji, can I go? Can I say Mataji?
Who is that?
Can I say Mataji? Raghav and Prahlad, Mataji.
What story we are doing today? I mean, what are we learning in Bhagavatam?
We're learning about Sati and Shiva. I think we were learning that yesterday or something. And
Yes.
Mataji, we're learning about Sati Mata.
How people could be bad, and you should not get attracted to them, and you should not go with them.
There was too much background noise.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you, Rai Prahlad. Thank you so much. Yes, we are learning about Shiva, Daksha, Sati story. This is what we are learning. And we saw yesterday, Anjana Mataji explained very nicely for us what happened yesterday. Anybody in one line, yesterday something happened. Very, very interesting thing that happened, the turn in the story.
Mataji, I think I remember.
Huh?
I think I remember, Mataji.
What happened? Yes, yesterday. Only in one line.
What happened is Sati wanted to go to his father's sacrifice, but Shiva said no, because you are with me and he does not like me. So that means he does not like you. So he's telling him to not go to the sacrifice.
But she already went. That is already over on last week.
But I
What
know
we saw.
the next part. I know the next
Okay,
one.
okay. So Sati goes, and then Sati takes away her life by entering into the fire.
Mat-
As soon as
Mataji, so also the Shiva said your future is gonna be bad if you go in, if you go to the
Mm.
sacrifice.
Don't go to sacrifice. Yes, he heard warned Sati, but then Sati did not listen. I want to go to my father's place. She went, and then what happened? Afterwards, she'll take away her life in the fire. Then what happened? As soon as Lord Shiva came to know about this, what did he create? He create with his hair. That's what Anjana Mataji explained yesterday for us. She explained about this, like, Shiva removes hair, little bit hair, and he creates a demon. What is the demon name? Anybody?
Kalishya, sir?
Black demon, Veerabhadra.
Oh, Veera.
Veerabhadra demon. Okay. And then this demon, he orders, go and kill Daksha. So immediately this demon goes and kill Daksha, and Daksha's followers, everybody. And then what happens is, now we will see what exactly happened. Now fearful priest, demigods, everybody scarcely, they are all very much scared now. What is going to happen? They all approached Brahma, and Brahma said that let's go to Lord Shiva. And so then the disapproving of their behavior towards great Shiva. Okay, if you have background noise, please mute. So Brahma took all of them to Kailas to pacify him. So now everybody, Brahma and all demigods, went to Lord Shiva to pacify him because he's very angry, right? So Shiva was sitting under a banyan tree. You can see a beautiful picture that where Lord Shiva was sitting under banyan tree, and all these devotees went, all the demigods went there. When they went there, they could see Narada Muni and four Kumaras were nicely sitting there and talking about absolute truth, which is Bhagavad Katha was going on with Lord Shiva over there. And he was grave and seems to be given up all anger. Now he's not having any anger. Because Lord Shiva is a devotee, right? He don't be anger. His anger means to correct someone, not like, to be like that. So then, seeing Lord Brahma, Shiva immediately got up and offered his respectful obeisances. You can see in the picture how nicely he got up and he offered his respectful obeisances. And Brahma praised Lord Shiva that you are such a great devotee. You please forgive Daksha for his sinful reaction. So then Brahma says that, these sinful people, definitely they will get their punishment. They will definitely have their karma coming back. They will definitely have that punishment. So such people are already killed by providence due to their mean mindness, envy for causing distress to others by piercing words. They need not to be killed again by an exalted person like you. So now Brahma is saying, oh, they are already killed because they are using all bad words. And why should you kill him? So you don't have to kill him. So that's what Brahma is saying to Lord Shiva. So let Daksha, now Brahma is saying more, let Daksha, who has been appointed as in charge of religious sacrifice, get back his life. Please revive others too. So this is what Brahma requests to whom? To Lord Shiva. Then please take your share of sacrifice and let the sacrifice complete. This is what Brahma is telling. So please don't punish him. Let him come back. Let all his followers also come back. And please you also take your sacrificial share. Gently Shiva smiled and replied, I did not mind their offenses. So now Shiva is saying that I did not mind their offenses. The punishment was given to them was only meant for their correction. So see, this the same kind of thing happened in one Leela, which is a famous Leela. And who gave the punishment to whom, for why he gave the punishment? It's a famous Leela that we going to celebrate in few days. Yes.
Is it Karthik?
Yes. Who gave the punishment?
Krishna gave it to Dalakuvera and
No, not Krishna. Who gave it?
Narada Muni.
Ah, Narada Muni gave it to whom?
Nalakuvera and Manigriva.
Nalakuvera and Manigriva. Yes, like that. Why he gave? Not to punish him, but to correct them. Okay.
Mataji, I heard this somewhere, but I heard that Narad Muni like is an incarnation, not an incarnation, but he's an associate of Krishna.
Yes, yes.
Because in like the
He
Bhagavatam tales of Gaurang Darshan Prabhu, like
okay,
the
okay.
first book, it shared.
Yes. He's a pure devotee of the Lord. Okay. He agreed to revive Daksha with the goat head. So now you can see that Daksha is with his goat head. Who is blessing Daksha? Lord Shiva. See now, Daksha was a great person, right? He was in charge of the sacrificial ceremony, and he was host of it. But right now, see, he became a goat-headed person. So when you got a high authority, like when you are a class leader or when you are in charge of doing something, and when you don't behave that properly, what will happen? You will become a again, like you will become again. You may get you may get a bad student remark or a parent call or something like that. So always when we get a post that where we have to do it right duties, we need to do right duties. Otherwise we will get in trouble. So like Daksha was having so much pride about his greatness. Now what happened? Krishna removed all of his pride. Now he became a humble person with a goat head. Okay. So it's a greatness of a beloved devotees to wholeheartedly forgive and favor even the most envious offenders too. See, that is the greatness of the devotees. Like we see in Chaitanya Charitamrita, now in even in our mid-morning calls, Chaitanya Bhagavad Gita and Madai story we are doing, how grateful offenders they were. Nityananda, they were hitting Nityananda, but Nityananda forgave them. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed his mercy because Nityananda asked to show him. That is what the greatness of devotees don't care. Oh, you are troubling them. But even though they want to give Krishna to us, like initially when Prabhupada came to America, everybody was not liking him. They were not even caring for him. But still Prabhupada want to stay back and give them Krishna consciousness. That's the greatness of devotees. They don't take any offense, but they want to just show love to everyone and give Krishna to everyone. That's the greatness of
Mataji,
devotee. Yes,
I was watching Apache and there they were
yes.
showing
One second,
argument.
Devashbala, 1 second. Let me finish this, okay? And also, we should also follow in the footsteps of Lord Shiva, Srila Prabhupada, and all our Guru Vargas. So, if someone hurt us very badly, what we should do? We should not do back to them same thing, hurting them back, or becoming envious about them, or trying to take a revenge on them. We are not supposed to do that. We give them so much of love, and then they will immediately feel shameful about their act, and they themselves become good friend of us. So that's how we need to deal with people. Okay, if the other person is bad at you, you don't have to be bad at them again. You need to be showing so much of love to them, that when you can change the bad person's heart also. Okay. So there are two kinds of punishments usually. This is an explanation that we can understand from this paragraph is there are two kinds. One is like, oh, this person really hurt me. I wanted to, bring them down, or I wanted to punish them some or other way. That is like more like enviousness. Like you can see in this picture, that's like enviousness. There is one picture. And the other one is like a fatherly position. Okay, this person hurt me, or this person like in the schools you see in the house you can see that your mother or your father or your teacher giving you a punishment. It does not mean that your mother, father, or teacher are envious about you, or they don't like you if they are giving you punishment. It's not like that. They want to correct you so that you can become a better person. That's why they are doing it, not to punish you, not because they're envious of you, not because they don't like you. So whenever your parents correct you or your teachers correct you, don't talk back to them. Okay? Never think that they are doing bad. Oh, mommy, you're bad. You always scold me. Oh, daddy, you are bad. You're always behind me. This teacher is always bad. She's just talking about me all the time and she's troubling me. No, this is not our attitude. Our attitude should be that, okay, teacher is trying to correct me, then let me correct myself. Let me think where I'm going wrong. Let me understand what teacher is really trying to tell me and how can I change myself so that I can become a better person. So that teacher is happy, I am happy, right? Ultimately, who is going to get benefit if you are if you are getting good person? Is a teacher going to get any benefit out of it? Nothing. Teacher does not get any benefit out of it. Teacher is doing her duty to correct us. Tomorrow when I grow, like when I'm being in a 10th grade or 11th grade, I will be getting benefited because I am the one who changed because of my teacher, because of my parents. Is mommy daddy going to get anything out of us? Like, if we become good, nothing we get. Tomorrow you will get benefited because you followed your parents' advices and you are doing disciplined things. Then tomorrow you will be successful. You will get good grades. You'll be in a good position. Tomorrow you should think that, oh, because of my mom and dad who corrected me, that is why I'm here. So never be sad that your parents are correcting or your teachers are correcting. Okay. Same way your Lord Shiva is correcting Daksha. So it's nothing wrong to do it. He's not having any enviousness towards Daksha, but he wants to correct Daksha. So that's what. So Lord Shiva by nature is a Vaishnava, a great devotee. His name is Ashitosha, means who can please just like that. He is always satisfied. He is never getting angry or he is never having any enviousness to anyone. That's a great quality of a devotee. If I am calling myself today as a Krishna conscious devotee, then I should not have any enviousness to anyone, no matter what they do to me. That's okay. If you might not like a person, it's okay to not like a person. Okay, today you can say, Vinita Gandharvika Mataji, I don't like you. That's okay if you don't like me, but you don't have to be bad to me. You just move away from me. You don't have to talk to me, or you don't have to scold me or say, oh Mataji, you are bad. You just move away from them. You don't have to be friendly or you don't have to be badly with them. Okay. So that is how Vaishnavas deal. If something is wrong, it's okay. You don't like it or something is wrong. You just don't have to involve in that. Move away from that place. Go and do your services. That's it. So whenever he chastise a person, it is just like a father punishing his son. Lord Shiva is like a father because he never takes any takes seriously any offenses by any living entity, especially the demigods. Okay, so Lord Shiva does not take any offenses, but in demigods just like that because he wants to correct it, because he knows that these demigods are in charge of particular things, so they don't want it to be wrong, so that everything goes wrong. So he wants everything should be corrected. Like if the teacher is going wrong in the school, the administrators will correct her, because if the teacher is wrong, then whole students gets wrongs, right? So that's what here Lord Shiva wants to correct. Correct Daksha, because Daksha is in charge of sacrificial ceremony. So as in charge of that, he should not do this. He should know how to respect the sacrificial arena. He cannot behave like that in the sacrificial arena, like talking bad to Sati or disrespecting Shiva. This is not the behavior. So he wants to correct it. So this is the story for today. Hope everybody liked it and understood. What did you understand, everyone? One point.
Mataji, I learned that we should never talk back to our parents, teachers, and our siblings.
Yes, never talk and never be envious. That's not a devotee quality. Always forgive and be happy. Okay, you should forgive them. That's it. Okay, Devarsh Bala.
Mataji, so yeah. First, I like what you said. Like, if they gave you something because you did something, if you can understand that they gave you and because you did something bad, then that would be good. But like you are doing bad, so others are giving. So like great people, even you don't know what happened, the great people are giving as like as like what do you say, like you don't know who they are, or like you don't know what punishment they're giving, but whatever punishment they're giving is to tell back. I like to correct us. I like that, Mataji. And
That's
also
good.
Mataji, on one page you said that Srila Prabhupada that, and also including he also did arguments. Srila Prabhupada also did arguments in the first.
Mm. Okay, I hear some noises, okay? Okay, don't make those noises. Thank you, Devash Bala. Rai Prahlad.
Mataji, I remember the part where you were saying that if you don't like someone, you don't have to be mean to them, but instead you could just walk away from them and you don't have to do anything bad to them.
Yes, yes. It's okay if you don't like someone. It's common to happen that I may not like someone, but it's okay. It's okay. But then I don't have to envy also them. You just walk away from them. You don't make friendship, nor you don't envy them. Just walk. That's it. Thank you, Rai Prahlad. Okay, Risha. Very nice to see you back.
Yeah.
And I was missing you whole summer camp. You did not join even one class.
Oh, Mataji, I was a little busy here and there.
Okay, no problem. Hoping to see you regularly now. Go ahead.
So,
Yesterday I saw you in the class though. Yeah.
yeah. So Mataji, what I liked is if someone, I always, when I was younger, I always thought if my parents were scolding me, I always thought like, why are they scolding me? Why are they being so mean to me? And then as I grew up, I just feel like how Shiva gave a lesson to Tati's father, Daksha. I understand now that you should never like. I used to shout back at my parents, but now I understand like you're not supposed to do or say anything back to your parents.
Tomorrow you will be a good person and you will remember that. See, as a child, my mom used to scold me a lot, beat me a lot if I do something wrong. And always I used to think, why is my mom behind me? Study, do this rightly and don't do that. But today I really respect her because of her upbringing. Today I'm here. If she would not correct me, if she would not beat me for my mistakes, I would never become like this today. I am very grateful to my parents who scolded me, who punished me, and who corrected me always.
Mama, can I say something?
Okay, Vrinda, you can wait. Kabir, you already spoke. Who is the one who did not spoke? Okay, Kabir, you can speak. You did not speak about the story, right? Yeah, you can speak.
Hare Krishna Mataji. So there's like one example. So pretend.
Don't leave the call. We have
the
Kahoot. Don't
devotee.
leave the call. We have Kahoot. We have 30 more minutes of the class too.
There's a devotee who's who and their parents are saying chanting. You should listen to them or what they're saying, and you shouldn't say that you want do whatever you want. No, you need permission, and also like you need like parents to like know that what are you doing? Should you do that? Or otherwise, that like the people who are like bad people who are hellish you will become into those like mistake, like you can do mistakes, like you mistakenly drank alcohol. If without permission, then you might go into those.
Okay, thank you, Kabir. That's very
Wow.
interesting point that you said that you have to always take a permission from parents and tell what you are doing. You can't say that, okay, mommy, you scold me, whatever you do, I will do whatever I want. You are not supposed to talk back to your parents like that, and you need to take permission for everything that you're doing at home. Thank you, Kabir. That was a very interesting learning point. Okay, Balavrinda will tell and then we'll start our Kahoot. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So I wanted to say that I liked how you described about the Shiva and Daksha, how you should always listen to your parents and not talk back. Even though whenever I was little, I used to like the same thing as Hisha. I used to think if my parents scold me, they're mean, but I'm understanding that they're not gonna be rude. They're just trying to help you to be a better person to grow up. A lot of people in my school as a substitute as a teacher, they tell me about that and they say because of my parents I could be in this position here right now.
Okay. Thank you, Vrinda. Okay. Let's move to our Kahoot. Let's close this one. Let's go to
What's the
Kahoot.
Mataji? Can you? What's the pin?
We didn't get yet there, Ryan. Okay, my mom's trying to open it.
Could you like put it in the chat box?
Okay. Yeah, let
Go
me
to the star question.
Mama.
wait.
Amma,
I will
can
find
you
the
go to
other
the laptop?
Kahoot also. First, we will
Amma.
do 2 days Kahoot. We will do first, and then we
Huh?
will do
I need-
Monday's Kahoot also.
But can you go to class? I need to know what the pin is. Mataji, can you send the pin in the chat box?
Yeah, yeah. Here is a pin. You can see that on the screen.
Who's lady? I wonder who lady is.
Hare Krishna Mataji, where have you sent the link for the Kahoot?
Yeah, you just need to type kahoot.com, Mataji. Otherwise, I can copy paste this link to you.
Okay.
In the chat box, Mataji, I'm putting. Please take from there.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Really?
Thank you.
Otherwise, you have to just go to kahoot.it and then play a game. Then you have to enter this thing, Mataji, over there. Kids, keep quickly join because we have to play 2 Kahoots.
Okay, Mataji. Do you know who OCS is? It's definitely.
Okay, Vrinda joined. Vrinda, Prahlad and Raghav, Risha, Kalyan, OCS. I don't know who is this OCS. Ryan, Kabir.
It's me.
Okay. Param. Okay. DBA. Who is the DBA?
I think it's a bad person, like another person.
I don't know who's the DBA. That's okay. Whatever it is.
I think it's another person who accidentally joined.
That's me.
Oh, that's Devish Bala. Oh, Devish Bala.
Mataji.
Oh, okay.
Mataji.
Eh.
I'm not in the game. I'm just joining.
Yeah. Get on. I'm waiting. Get on.
We have 8 kids in the
Okay, we have 11 on the call. At least 10 should be there. Okay, I'm going to wait until few more minutes. Yes, Palvit is in. One more kid to be joined. Anybody did not join and want to join? I can wait. Otherwise, I'll start the game.
I want to join.
Sorry, Mataji gives. So actually, it's asking to register something. No, I'm not sure. Like
Oh, no, we don't have to do, Mataji. You just need to type kahoot.it.
Janvi didn't join.
Janavi, are you there?
Kahoot.it. Just I'm doing.
Kahoot.it. You just type like this in the Google, and then there will be play game.
Janvi, are you joining? Oh, see.
Okay,
Yeah.
Janavi is in. Okay, good. Okay.
Yes, now it's easy.
Janvi's just.
Yeah, you just need to type in this code, Mataji. That's it.
Yeah, it is easy.
Rishia, me, and Janvi have the same avatar.
Good job.
We do?
Yes, we got everybody in. Yay, that's house full.
Unicorn, okay.
I did not notice that.
We'll start the game. Let me take a
I
picture.
look polar bear.
It's a house
Mataji,
full.
I
Okay.
look like a Mataji, I look like a real life polar bear.
Okay. Now nobody is talking. Everybody should be on mute.
Not okay. Okay.
Okay. How is Lord Shiva related to Daksha? Yes. I think everybody got it right.
No, Mataji.
2 people did not get it. That's okay. They'll be trying best next time. Okay, next question. We have to play next Kahoot also, so we'll be quick, okay? Who went to pacify Lord Shiva? Who went there? We just talked about it. Wow, awesome. 7 people got it right. We'll move to the next question. I think Jahnavi was the first this time. I skipped that, sorry. What was Lord Shiva doing when Brahma and the demigods arrived? They were talking about something. Yes, 8 people got it right. Absolute truth.
Yeah.
Mataji, I know that like Bhagavad Gita chapter.
Yes.
That's like my favorite chapter.
Okay, Risha came up. Very nice.
Multiple.
Multi-select. Be careful while doing this. Who was listening to Lord Shiva on the absolute truth? There were 3 personalities actually. Three people were there. Even in the picture, we saw that. Yes. You got it wrong, Vrinda? Okay. There were Narada.
People. That's not 3 people. That's 6 people.
No, that's 6 people. But then 4 Kumaras is 1, Vrinda. 4 Kumaras is 1, Narada and Kuvera. Like that. Okay. Okay, Jahnavi is up. Okay. Lord Shiva was peaceful when Brahma and demigods went to seek forgiveness. Yes or no?
Amiham Kabir.
Okay. Okay, somebody is calling me. I have to disconnect it. Sorry about that. Okay. Now, who offended and troubled Lord Shiva? Who was that who offended him?
That's so easy.
It was Daksha. Everybody did it right. I'm so proud of you all.
Everybody should already know that.
Mataji, I wasn't here for the class, so I'm getting little confused, Mataji.
Oh, that's okay. What quality of Lord Shiva made him forgive Daksha?
Let's go. 2 in a
Oh.
row.
Okay.
I forgot to do another one.
Yeah, it was a multi-select. Sorry, even I did not mention it was a multi-select. That's okay. No worries. Why does the Lord Shiva punish living entities? Why? Why does parents correct you? Yes,
Let's
good job,
go.
kids.
Let's go.
Everybody got it right.
Hare Krishna, Hare Bol.
Okay, we are not talking. Lord Shiva forgive Daksha? Did he forgive? Yes or no?
This has to be
Okay,
an
we are not
easy
talking, we are
question.
answering, okay? Yes, good job. Everybody got it right. Okay, the last question here. Where did Lord Brahma go to see Lord Shiva? Where? Where do Lord Shiva live actually? Everybody, oh no, 3 people got it wrong. He lives in Kailas. Okay, we are done with this Kahoot. Who are all on podium?
Mataji, I got 5 of it.
Okay. Palvit. Sorry, Param. Param, Kalyan,
And Janvi.
and Janavi. Yes, Janavi is the winner. And Kalyan, I'm so proud of you. Okay, Vrinda and Aditi is runner-ups. Congratulations to them also. I'm so proud of you, Kalyan, for winning the Kahoot, even though you are listening it for
Thank
the
you,
first
Mataji.
time today's class. Okay. So we will quickly pay the second Kahoot also.
Wait, Mataji.
There's a second Kahoot.
Yes, I said right. Today we are doing 2 Kahoots. I already said.
Yay. I know.
Wonderful day.
It's the first time I came in third place in Kahoot.
Okay.
I only did in 4th place or 5th place.
Able to see that.
You've never
I've
been
been
first
first place.
before?
I've been first
I
place
never.
every day. in-
I never, Balavinda, but I hope I do.
I've
But
been
like,
in first place
but on like moral
That's
stories,
okay. That's okay if you are not in first place. That's
but
fine.
on moral stories, it's really easy. On moral stories, it's really easy. I'll just do it, the right answer, in just one snap. The end. I win.
Oh, okay.
Not today. I only got the most.
Okay, okay. Let's start the other Kahoot too.
Ooh, Daddy's coming.
Okay, why is it not showing here, Krishna? Wait.
What story is this, Mataji?
This is from Monday class, okay? If you
My-
all
it's
heard
my
Monday
Kahoot?
class, you can do it. That's okay
my
if you did
Kahoot?
not hear also. It will be very simple only. Simple Kahoot.
My Kahoot? It's the code that I made that didn't work.
Okay, okay. Let's all get on to it.
Mine made this one, not you, Ryan.
Okay. Okay, let's get on to Kahoot. All 11 should be there. It will be from Monday class and it will be very simple. You all know the story, so it's not at all a problem. Eight, 9. Okay, 2 more. 3 more actually. Okay, 2 more. 10, 9, 11. Who is that missing?
Nitai Gorachandra, that's Param, I guess. I think Nitai Gorachandra's Param.
Okay, 1 more is missing. Who is that? Risha? Ah, okay, Risha is it. Okay. Let's start.
Let's go. Excuse me.
Which canto are we in? We are doing this from every day in the class. We are talking about which canto we are in.
What?
Okay, we are in 4th canto. Okay.
Anya Mataji.
Oh, come on.
Good job.
Come
No, no
on.
talking. Nobody's talking. Only I am allowed to talk. Okay, okay. Sorry. This is again duplicated, I guess, by mistake.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Now
you
you
so
know the
much.
answer.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mataji.
So you want all the Kahoot to be same question or what?
Yeah.
Hey, what
Yeah,
is
yeah.
this? Wait, what wrong is happening? Hey, wait. Something. Stop it. I am not gonna do this. What happened actually? Wait. Oh, okay. From 3rd question, it is good. Okay. Something wrong happened. I don't know why it happened. Oh, I'm so sad.
Thank you so much,
My 2
Mataji, for the
questions
2
gone.
extra questions.
That's okay. Let's start playing. Okay, there is something
Thank
wrong.
you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Shh. What story is going on?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, still someone went wrong. Okay.
Someone. I'm on 8th place.
Okay, shush, not talking. Where did Sati go? She went to movie, I guess.
Yeah.
A movie.
Did somebody selected movie? Nobody.
Somebody selected temple and somebody selected party.
Mataji, how were the movies in that time? How were
Just
they?
for fun, Ryan. True or false? Shiva followers did not accompany Sati. Listen carefully. We heard about it on Monday. Shiva followers accompanied Sati because Lord Shiva did not go, but Shiva followers went with her.
Are you
Okay.
some 10th place?
Okay.
It's me.
Shiva was invited by Daksha. Did Shiva was invited by Daksha? Shiva was invited?
Yes.
False. That's correct. Everybody answered it right. I'm so happy. If everybody got right answer, I'm happy. Who welcomed Shiva in the sacrificial arena? If you listen to...
Welcome Sita in the sacrifice.
Oh, Sati, sorry. I wrote it mistake.
Sati who?
This is gonna reminding me of Ramayana.
Yes. It's mother and sisters. Nobody else welcomed her. Everybody was not talking to her. Okay, let's go to the next question. Oh, nobody's talking, okay? Sati quit her body in the blazing fire. Yes or no? Yes, she did. Nobody's talking, please. Sati quit her body because Daksha praised Lord Shiva.
What does praise mean, Mataji?
Praise means talking good about Daksha.
Oh, I got it incorrect, Mataji.
Okay. Who finds faults? Who finds faults? Great people, envious people, friends, families. Who finds faults actually? Envious people only finds faults. So today's class also we talked about it. That who is going to find a fault? Only envious people, not the devotees. Devotees don't find.
Yeah.
Okay. False ego makes one soft-hearted. That was the theme on Monday actually. Bad. Ego means bad. False. False ego makes one hard-hearted actually. Okay, that was the concept on Monday that we learned.
Mataji, what does hard-hearted mean? But I know like how what soft-hearted look like.
Oh, okay. Hard-hearted. That's what the stories we saw on Monday. Go back and listen to Monday class, Ryan. Okay. Crocodile is a good friend of a monkey. This was the story we heard on Monday.
Mataji, I think that's a moral story, so everybody should get this right. Because moral stories
Yes,
are
it was a false. Crocodile was not a good friend of a monkey because it wanted to eat monkey's heart, right?
At the beginning of the story, he was nice, but at the end of the story, he was not
Yeah,
nice.
but we have to see what happened at the end, not in the beginning.
I know.
Chanting the holy name helps one become free from false ego. True or false?
Correct, right? Yes.
Yes, it's true.
For the right.
Okay, let's go. Chitraketu had how many sons?
How many?
Ryan, you're not talking. You should think in your brain. We saw this on Monday. We talked about this story on Monday. One son. Yes, he only had one son. That also he got through blessings of Angira Muni and Narada Muni blessed him. That's when he got one son. And all the other wives got envious about it and they were hard-hearted and they killed that son, right? That was the story we talked about. Okay. What is special about today? That means on Monday. There was something special on Monday and we read something special on Monday.
Pretty sure I know what it is.
I wish I get this right.
Yes, all of you, most of you got right. Only one person did not get right. It is Prod arrival to US. That's right. So who is on podium? Janavi again. And Brinda.
Yeah.
Who is that?
Aditi. She's the
Aditi.
see.
Oh, Aditi.
Mataji, I'm 8th. Mataji, I'm in 9th place. I
Okay,
was so
Kabir
close.
and Prahalad and Raghav are runners-ups. Thank you, kids, for participating so nicely. Okay, on Monday, we were talking about this story, right? The monkey and the crocodile. What was your doubt, Ryan?
Well, I
Oh,
actually know
Chitraketu
some.
Maharaj. Yeah, Chitraketu
Yeah.
Maharaj has only one son, okay?
I know. I thought
Janavi, good job. Even though you did not join Monday class, you did a good job with Kahoot. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
so close. I was so
Good job,
close.
Janvi.
Because
I
this
was so
story we
close.
already did even in Damodar class also. When you guys were small, we did this story of Sati and Daksha and Lord Shiva's
I was
story.
so close, Mataji. I was like, in the beginning, I was like 8th place, but then I turned into 10th place. I was so close.
Oh, nice. Very good. I'm so proud of all of you kids. You
Hey,
did a
Ryan,
good
who
job.
are you behind?
So from today, you are not going to speak back to your teachers and your parents if they are correcting you. Okay?
Ryan, who are you behind?
No one's behind me. Only my brother and my mom are right here.
Okay. Palvit want to say something. Palvit, what do you want to say? Yes, everybody is winners. Yes.
No,
Palvit
Mataji
always says that.
saying that I was so near to the podium.
Oh, that's okay, Palvit. That's fine.
It is saying on my
Because you also missed Monday class, right, Palvit? Did you miss Monday class?
Oh, yes.
That's why.
Mataji,
A lot of kids did not come on Monday.
guess
So this is
what?
why we asked you to join every day. Subhadra and Giridhari joined late. That's okay. I'll give you present.
Mataji,
And
Mataji.
yesterday Giridhari's birthday was, it is Giridhari's birthday yesterday and we forgot to wish him happy birthday, Giridhari.
What
Mataji,
did I did?
We wish
Mataji. Mataji.
Mataji, we wished Giridhari yesterday.
Oh, you wished, you all wished. Okay, I was not there. I joined late.
Mataji. Mataji.
Mm.
I feel like you should on like the special days you shouldn't have put like Prabhupada is coming to USA and it's gonna be my birthday. You couldn't have put
Mm.
It's your birthday today?
No, on Friday.
yeah, so you couldn't have put that.
I will put that. On Friday, we will do Kahoot and say that what is the special today. It's Ryan's birthday, okay? And everybody will get correct answer for that on Friday.
Yeah, because you always say it.
It's Ryan's birthday, okay?
the answer, Mataji. I'm going to write it down on my notes now.
Okay, good.
But Mataji, I think I asked her on Friday I am gonna have a birthday party.
Nice, nice, Ryan.
Are
Send
you
us a
inviting us?
Send
Are
us
you-
a picture. Send us a picture of what your mom is gonna cook. All special items. At least from the picture, we will eat.
Yeah.
We will see. Like Krishna. Krishna is eating right just by seeing like that. We also try to see and just eat it from our eyes. Good, nice. Okay, kids, have a fun day. Go eat and
On
have
Friday-
a dinner and sleep nicely.
On Friday, I have a fun run.
Okay, Friday is Ekadasi, kids. We have a world's holy name festival going on, wherein Ekadasi chanting call is open. Japathon is open. I can share the link in our groups also, in our group. If you would like to join and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, that would be great. It will be open from evening 5:30 to late night. So 5 o'clock, sorry, evening 5 o'clock only. Evening 5. Just now we learned about so many good things, Brinda. Okay. Okay. So from 5 o'clock to late night in the night, we have this call. You can join and chant couple of rounds. Okay.
Mataji, I have a question.
Yes.
Is it like a place we need to go or it's
No, no, no. It's a Zoom call. It's a Zoom call. You just join in the Zoom call.
Also,
and
is it
chant
the
Hare
bug-
Krishna. That's
Is
it.
it the Bhakti Sangha link?
Okay. We'll close the call here.
He was asking a question.
What? What is that, Param?
Also, Is it the Bhakti Sangha link?
No, it's on different one. It
Okay.
will be on my status if you can check my status on Friday. I'm gonna put it on my status so you all can join when you're free time. Evening from 5 to late night. So at 6 o'clock you're free. You can come chant one round and leave the call, or if you want to stay back and chant more rounds, that's well and good. Okay, it's a world's holy name festival.
evening?
Yes, on Ekadasi day evening. Yes, Friday evening.
So Mataji, is it every Ekadashi?
No. This is because World's Holy Name Festival is going on. This is done in worldwide. So we are taking part of it. Okay. Vancha kalpatarobhyasya kripa sindhubhyeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Koti Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, assembled devotees ki jai. Bye kids. See you all tomorrow. Don't miss to join us.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.